Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bring back the vertical layout in WhatsApp after their latest update. So with the new WhatsApp update, you've probably noticed that the layout has switched to a horizontal style. If you're not a fan of this change and prefer the classic vertical layout, don't worry, it's super easy to fix. Let me walk you through it. First, open WhatsApp and head over to the updates section. From here, you need to unfollow all the channels you've followed. Swipe left to the channel and tap on more. Unfollow right from there. Proceed with unfollow. Repeat this process for all the channels you're following. Once you've unfollowed all the channels, your WhatsApp will automatically switch back to the vertical layout. Just go to Chats and return to Updates for changes to apply. Now, keep in mind that if you decide to follow any channels again, the layout will switch back to horizontal. So if you want to keep that classic vertical style, avoid joining any channels. And there you have it. It's that easy. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.